Hello friends, looking to upgrade your kitchen in 2024? Check out these Amazon bestsellers in kitchen gadgets. From time-saving tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets will take your cooking game to the next level. The must-have Ninja Air Fryer delivers crispy food with less oil, while the Instant Pot offers multifunctional cooking magic. Love fresh ingredients? The vegetable spiralizer turns veggies into fun, healthy noodles in no time. Don't miss the meat thermometer for perfectly cooked meals every time, or the milk frother for cafe-style coffee at home. With these top-rated gadgets, cooking has never been easier or more fun. So friends, watch full video without dragging, and if you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon next to it to get more new videos first. Let's start the video.
Chicken Shredder. The Chicken Shredder Tool Twist, a large TENS Pro meat shredder, is designed to make shredding chicken breasts and other meats quick and effortless. Its unique twist-action design shreds meat evenly in seconds, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Made from durable, food-grade materials, it's safe to use and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing pulled chicken for tacos, sandwiches, or salads, this tool ensures consistent results with minimal mess. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip for easy twisting, and the large size allows you to shred bigger portions in one go. Ideal for home cooks or BBQ enthusiasts, it's a must-have for efficient meal prep.
Tumbler Flip Straw Lid. This 40-oz tumbler with a flip straw lid is designed for maximum convenience and hydration. Crafted from high-quality, durable stainless steel, it keeps your drinks cold for hours or hot for an entire day. The flip straw lid makes sipping on the go easy and spill-proof, perfect for workouts, road trips, or daily commutes. Its large capacity ensures you stay hydrated all day without frequent refills. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand or car cup holder. The tumbler is easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and BPA-free. Whether it's iced coffee or water, this tumbler is a reliable companion for your hydration needs. Stay refreshed anytime, anywhere.
Fingerprint-proof dish drying rack. The Happiness. DSH103B Simple 20.5. Fingerprint-proof stainless steel dish. Drying rack offers a sleek and durable solution for your kitchen. Made from fingerprint-proof stainless steel, it maintains a clean and polished look with minimal maintenance. The spacious design can accommodate a variety of dishes, from plates to large pots. Its integrated drip tray efficiently collects water, preventing countertop messes. The rack includes a detachable utensil holder for added convenience. Non-slip feet provide stability, keeping the rack securely in place. Easy to clean and rust-resistant, it's built for long-lasting use. The modern design complements any kitchen decor, ideal for those seeking both style and functionality in their kitchen.
Mini Freezer. The Bangson upright freezer with a compact capacity of 1.1 cubic feet is an ideal solution for those seeking additional storage without compromising space. Its dimensions of 18.5 inches in depth, 18 inches in width, and 19.1 inches in height make it suitable for small apartments, dorm rooms, or as an extra unit in a larger home. The sleek black finish paired with stainless steel door material adds a modern touch that can seamlessly blend with various kitchen styles. Its design does not only prioritize aesthetics, functionality is at the forefront. The freezer provides ample storage with a thoughtful layout that accommodates a range of food items, from frozen meals to ice cream. The adjustable shelves ensure that you can customize the internal space according to your needs, ensuring convenience for various types of food storage. In terms of performance, the Bangson upright freezer operates efficiently, maintaining consistent temperatures while minimizing.
Oil dispenser. The Kitchen Maiden 2, in one oil dispenser by Cassiab, offers a sleek design in a sophisticated black finish, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen space while maintaining functionality. This product features a dual functionality that allows users to dispense both oil and vinegar with ease, catering to a variety of culinary needs. One of the standout attributes of this oil dispenser is its precise pouring mechanism, which ensures that you can control the amount of liquid being dispensed. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are mindful of their portion sizes or experimenting with new recipes. The design effectively minimizes spills and drips, promoting a cleaner cooking environment. The Kitchen Maiden's body is crafted from durable materials, enhancing its longevity without compromising on style. The transparency of the dispenser allows users to monitor the contents easily, ensuring that you never run out unexpectedly.